Hey guys, I feel like you people can as well get used to me starting my vlogs on the road because it's like it's always happening. But yeah, it's another weekend and today is Saturday. I'm actually just coming back from work and walking on the street, and I have people looking at me like, what am I doing? But whatever, we move, right? So I'm just coming back from work actually, and I'm just going to branch the marketplace. I want to get some fruits for myself because unnecessary. So I'm just going to branch the marketplace to get a couple of fruits, and I honestly don't know what is happening to my skin. No, hey, what people, can you guys see this new acne that is just developing? So yeah, there is nothing much. When I get back home, I'm just gonna sleep because I'm tired, and probably when I wake up, we want to go to Oxford to get a couple of things from the Afro-Caribbean store. But yeah, I'll definitely carry you guys along on how my day goes, if there are any changes or if there is anything. But yeah, let's see how it goes. All right, so they said it's summer, but it's still legit chilly. It literally rained for I think 48 hours straight, and last night it was just very cold. That's why I have my jacket on. Summer, but I'm still wearing jacket. But it's a very light one actually. I got this one from Primark when I first got to the UK. I think it was my first week. I just went to Primark that day and I got this one for, I can't even remember how much I got it for. I'm just about to cross now. I'm just gonna go. So I got this for Primark for, I can't remember how much I got it for, but it's just a very light packable jacket. Yeah, because it's kind of chilly and I don't want to get too cold. But hopefully as the day goes, it's going to get warmer. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so I'm back home now and I've had my bath obviously. And my skincare is done. It still looks awkward. Look at this one here and this new one. I don't know where they're coming from, but anyway, yeah, I'm just about to eat breakfast. I'm really hungry, so I'm just going to make noodles and I'll have it with stew. I'm boiling egg as well. Yeah, I eventually branched the market. Yeah, I told you guys I was going to branch the marketplace, and I just got a couple of stuff. I got this fine beans, pineapple, watermelon. What's this? Oh, I got lemon, just two, and what we call tangerine and carrots. That's everything I got basically. So I'm just going to have breakfast now and go to bed. Hey guys, so we're just going to Oxford now actually to get a couple of stuff and just sightsee basically. It's the weekend anyway, so at least, you know, chill around and stuff. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me, but this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real.
Guys, so we're back home now, and we got some stuff from the Caribbean store. We got this sunflower oil, and what else? Oh yeah, and we got catfish as well. You guys, guess how much this catfish cost? It wasn't really expensive as much. It was 3 large ones for £12, and we got gizzard as well, and this was just for £2, which I think is a nice bargain. Then we got palm oil. I hope this is good though, because it looks,
yeah, and it's from Nigeria.
It's not from Nigeria. They just put Nigerian flags to deceive us. Not from Nigeria. See, even this, like, it's even blocked. Seriously, see how rock solid it is, and this place is still kind of soft. So hopefully this is good. It's different from the one I had the last time, but we'll just try this out and see. And Scotch bonnet and peanuts, and what else? And we got this for free. We got this for free from the store. The man said that Nigerians like to bargain, like they like to argue when they buy stuff, but because we didn't talk, we didn't. But you know, because the price was already there, so I don't think there was much to argue about. So he gave us drinks for free, and he said it was on the house, which is, I think, is a nice gesture actually. That's basically everything we got, and other stuff, gari and things like that. So yeah, we just got to make the catfish now, catfish pepper soup. I actually saw it on someone's YouTube channel. I saw it on Cynthia Uloma. I actually saw it in one of our vlogs, and since then I've been craving for catfish. So we move. Let's say I can see you guys later. Cut.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time,
hey guys, today is Sunday, and let me tell you guys the time. It's currently like 6 something, maybe 6:40 something or thereabout, and I just got up from my bed literally 20 or 30 minutes ago. I've been on the bed all day. I said I wanted to take my hair out because this year, you can serve this purpose, so like it has been loyal. It's almost over 2 months now that I've had this hair on, and I've just had, if you guys notice, I've had this band in front because the front is already a mess, and I've been using gel to just lay the flying hair around down, so at least it's okay. But yeah, I should probably take the rest out today, this evening, probably when I get back home. But I'm just out now to get a couple of things and see someone. That's why I have this cap on. Yeah, what else? There's nothing much. It's really weird right now, guys, because I just passed a couple of people and they were literally staring at me like, what am I doing? But yeah, I'll see you guys later, if and only if I'll be taking out this hair today. But if not, I'll probably see you guys tomorrow, because I'm not even sure I'll take it out today anymore. It's already a few minutes to 7. are you all doing? This is a very different location because I'm literally sitting on the floor to take out my twists. How you guys doing? How was your weekend? What did you do for your weekend? Because me, I can say boldly, I literally slept most of the day. Oh, no. I went out on Saturday, as you guys can already see from the previous clips. And then on Sunday, I literally slept most of the day, except in the evening when I went out to get something. And yeah, I said I was going to take out this hair since yesterday, literally since Saturday. But here am I, still on Monday. Today's Monday, and it's currently past 3 p.m. and I'm still struggling with it. I just started like 2 or 3 minutes ago. And yeah, my hair is growing, guys. And I was there saying that the hair is stunted. No, it's not stunted because my hair was not this long before, trust me, and now it's reaching my chin, which is great. I wasn't expecting that. I don't think I'm going to be relaxing it again though. Let's see how it goes. I might change my mind again, but let's see how it goes. So yeah, what am I doing? I'm just taking out this hair. It has been loyal. I've had it for a little over 2 months and I'm just tired of it, really. And it's already dirty. I washed it once, by the way, but now it's already dirty. The front is a mess. It's already a mess. I've just been using what's it called? What's the name of this my gel though? Gel. I've forgotten the name. To Gorilla Snot gel to just make it look neat when I'm going to work. And I have this black headband I put over this place, so it's not that obvious that it's rough. And I think that's how I've been able to carry it for 2 months. I washed it once. I think I washed it a little over 1 month. And now we are here, ready to take it out. But anyway, I'm just going to take this hair out and watch a movie. While I do so, I saw Fatherhood last night and the movie is very interesting, trust me. I enjoyed every bit of it.
God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
Hey guys, what's up? How you guys doing? So I've just finished washing my hair and it's clean now. I'm going to leave like the conditioner and everything I used on the screen. I actually used what's it called, herbal essence, conditioner and shampoo, and then I used natural shampoo because I was seeing dandruff and stuff on my hair. So I used the natural first just to clear out the shampoo, and then it's kind of coarse. It's not really a good one for natural hair in my own opinion, so I used it first and then I used the herbal essence shampoo and conditioner, like just to keep it moisturized and soft. Dry it with this that I got from NN UK.
I need somebody to love. Oh, no. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing. But I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know
Hey guys, so I just stepped out now. I'm actually going to the post office to drop off an item. And I hope they've not closed yet, but anyway, yeah, I think I like the way my hair looks like. Me, which is nice. Thank you. Bye. You guys, I got it, bro. I got it. You guys be wondering that was this. Well, I'm going to unbox it with you guys, so let's do the unboxing ASAP real quick. Oh, why am I so excited like I bought something big? I got my AirPods Pro, baby. Can I call it my late birthday gift? Thanks, baby. I got my late birthday gift, you guys. Aww. I've been wanting an AirPod for the longest time, and I got a Pro. Oh, so beautiful. And I customized it because why not? I customized it, so we have focus, the berry. Oh, so pretty. Oh, wow, looks so nice, you guys. I'm so excited because I got an AirPod. So funny, I'm laughing at myself, but whatever, bro, it's nice. Yay. Hey guys, so we've come to the end of this vlog. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you watched up to this point, do definitely make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, and all that good stuff. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.